Hey yo, it's the one and only back at it again. You know the favorite coach, your favorite coach, Coach Flo is on, known as the generational investor. And I am excited. I'm excited. This is a new month. All right, new month, and just another opportunity to make an impact. And so if you stopping by the channel for the first time, I appreciate you for stopping by. And I just want to share with you what's been going on with stocks, what's going on with crypto. And without further ado, let's get this thing started on lately. Apple. All right, that's something that I have multiple positions. I would say a large amount of my portfolio is in Apple. And like I always say, if you are an Apple user, you have any Apple products, iPad, the watch, the AirPods, you should get some Apple stock. Okay, get some Apple stock. All right, I'm not a financial advisor for you to buy, hold, or sell, but definitely Apple is a no-brainer. The sitting at the time of recording is $192. And what's been going on with Apple? Apple is getting ready to unveil an AI functionality for their iPhones. All right, so speaking of phones, this is going to be a game changer. We already know how I feel about AI. You already know how I feel about crypto. Apple is one to invest just like all these other big name companies. Apple is one of them that's going to invest into these functions for the iPhones. It's one thing to have Siri, but they finna enhance this thing. They finna advance this thing, all right, for iPhones. All right, so with that being said, the iPhone sales is definitely going to move up. All right, this is a catalyst that will help Apple. All right, so with Apple, they also, within another week or so, the WWDC, which is the Worldwide Developer Conference, this is where they're going to have the announcement for anything pertaining to the AI and how they want to incorporate and infuse all the different function and advancements for the iPhone. All right, so the next iPhones, whenever they come out later on this year, they're going to have more AI features. So like I said, Siri is one type of feature when it comes to the AI. But watch these iPhones, these iPads get some extra advancement and just extra, I call it innovative. Okay, innovative things for their phones and for their technical devices. All right, so watch out for Apple to move up in about another week or so. And with these announcements, that's going to be a key catalyst. So definitely, I'm excited for Apple. That's why I have definitely a large amount, percentage-wise, on my portfolio, and continue to keep on buying Apple. All right, Apple is definitely a no-brainer. So like I always say, you can fractional share if you don't have the $100, the $200. Okay, some of these stocks I'm talking about, fractional share. So with that being said, moving on to what's going on with Tesla. Like I always say, whether you hate him or you love him, Elon is always thinking of a master plan. Okay, he's always thinking of a master plan. And so Tesla's been on discount. All right, sitting at the time's recording $177. And the reason why it's been on discount because they've been having recalls over 125,000 vehicles with issues with their seatbelt warnings. Okay, so these Teslas are having issues, and of course, when the sales, because sales, aka equals the capital and the revenue, it's all correlated together. So when sales are not doing so well, which is right now, Tesla is not, the sales of the cars and what's going on with the function of the cars is tanking the stock price. But anytime and every time, like I always say, what we do here, we buy low and we sell high. I'm gonna say that again. We buy low and we sell high. All right, so $177. I'm definitely dollar cost average to Tesla because this right here is not gonna be like this next year and the next 2 to 3 years. All right, so I'm looking for Tesla to go 2x, 3x. So that $300, $400 share is definitely going to move in that direction because Tesla have a lot of things that's backing up the stock, okay? When you think of the cars, when you think of SpaceX and all the different things that's tied into with Tesla, and not only just the batteries and the solar, Tesla have a lot of different things going on. And so with Tesla being that it has a worldwide influence, like Elon is a influencer, okay? So it's not just the United States, it's worldwide, okay? We're talking about globally, and Tesla is just getting started. That's why I'm continue dollar cost averaging, and 177 is actually a discount in my book, and it's definitely a steal, all right? Because where Tesla's going to go, where I see it's going to go, you wish you would have jumped into Tesla at this price. I'm gonna tell you that. All right, so moving on to game changer, and I'm excited about this game changer in the AI space. Okay, you already know how I feel about the AI space, and we're gonna get to crypto in just a minute. But crypto aside, AI space, Nvidia, man, Nvidia. I'm excited about Nvidia. Why I'm excited about Nvidia, you ask? I'm glad you asked. At the time of recording, is sitting at $1,100, and the stock split. I'm gonna say that again. The stock split is up on us. And about a few days from now, June 7th to be exact, if you want to know, mark on your calendar. The stock split will put this thing, the 10-to-1 stock split will put this thing at about $101. Okay, that is a game changer for retail investors like you and I. All right, you and I. We talking about $100 a share for a stock like this. This one has the ability and the capability to go where? To the goddamn moon. Yes, it's gonna go. I believe it's gonna go. And the next 3 to 5 years, you have to definitely look and pay attention to what and how much capital and revenue that's going to flow into the AI space. They already predicting 2030 that we talking about billions of dollars that's going to flow into the AI space. So things like Nvidia, things like ARM, AMD, Palantir, because I have all that in my portfolio. All these are future growth stocks that have the capability, and like I said, and definitely the ability to go way up. Okay, I consider these not just tech stocks, but growth stocks. And growth stocks, the key word is growth. Growth stocks, that's that 3 to 5 to 10 to 20 year seeing where all these capital and revenue that's going to be in flux and flow into the space. So stocks, like I just explained, they're going to go. We're talking about the 2x, 3x, some 5x, because it has growth. And with technology and AI, it's ever changing. Watch those who are long-term investors like me make life-changing money, and I want that for you. That's why I continue to do what I do. I'm gonna say that again. I want that for you. That's why I continue to do what I do. I'm trying to help y'all out. So hit the thumbs up button if I'm helping you out. Have I helped you out these last year or so on stocks and crypto? Leave me some comments below. Have I helped anybody? Because I'm excited, and I hope you are excited about generational wealth, financial freedom. That's what this channel is all about. We're talking about a generation here. We're talking about not just becoming rich. We are talking about making money over time and be getting that wealth building habits. Okay, wealth building habits. And so definitely Nvidia, watch out for the stock split. Also, Nvidia is a leader in the workstation graphics processor and data center accelerators. All right, so with that being said, Nvidia is definitely a sleeping giant waiting to be ready to go off, and it's going to go off. Like I said, that 3 to 5 to 7, 10, 20, watch those who didn't get into a stock like this, because I don't know if you've been paying attention or have read an article on if I would have got into a stock 10 years ago, or if I would have got into a crypto 10 years ago. Go back and look at the charts and seeing where Apple was at 10 years ago. Go see where Google was at 10 years ago. Go see where Microsoft, Netflix, Tesla. Go see where Bitcoin was at 10 years ago. If you want to even go farther than that, let's go about 20 years ago and seeing where these stocks and crypto was just starting to kind of get its footing out there. Okay, we are talking about life-changing money here, and so I'm definitely looking to get in the greatest transfer of wealth that's happening. Okay, because the last time it happened was about 10 years ago, right? And then if you take it back, it was about 20 years ago. Now, since the pandemic all the way up to this year of 2024, there's a great transfer of wealth that's happening, and I want you to be a part of that. All right, don't miss the ship, don't miss the boat. I'm definitely not going to miss the boat or the ship this time. All right, so that's why let's switch over to what crypto can do and what it's going to do. All right, so at the time of recording, Bitcoin is sitting at 67,000. All right, 651, and the main key catalyst that I continue to talk about from my previous video, the presidential election. Okay, so like I said, whether you are Democrat or Republican or you're independent, whoever you support or vote for, they are out to get your votes. And how they're doing that, because now with crypto is being more of a political issue. This president saying, if you vote for me, I'm gonna do this for you. This other president saying, I'm gonna do this. If you vote for me, I'll do this for you. So they know that a lot of people carry crypto, whether it's Bitcoin or it's Ethereum, XRP, they carry whether it's a lot or it's a little. And so now you have the ETF that got passed early this year, and then you just got last week the ETF of Ethereum. Okay, so watch Bitcoin, which is the huge juggernaut, and I want to say like the engine that will pull these other cryptos I'm finna talk about up. All right, so the economic data, watch out for that in this month of June. Okay, they didn't check the PCE, and you have the consumer price index. You have all this data that they track, and basically it's tracking inflation. So for those who don't know about the data, this data tracks inflation, but it's like a month behind. So it's going to track from May. Now it's June, they're going to track from May going into what the numbers look like. All right, so how inflation is. You already know about inflation. Things are expensive. Don't get around that. Food, rent, card note, medical bills, credit card, you name it. It's been hitting everybody in the pocket. Whether you have, or you make over $100,000, or you make $50,000 or $30,000, it don't matter. Whatever bracket you in, inflation is affecting everybody. All right, especially if you got kids, it is affecting everybody. That's why it's important to invest. All right, so watch out for the economic data this month, and like I said, keep your eyes on the president. As we get closer to November, the presidential election is starting to heat up, and watch Bitcoin move. All right, so Ethereum is sitting at $3,800 at times recording, and of course, you already know last week the Ethereum ETF got passed, but they got passed. A lot of people saying it got passed because of this election, and it's now the political issue. So crypto is more a political issue. That's the key driving force, and I'm actually excited about it because, like I said, it's going to move up. I believe Ethereum, just looking at and reading different articles where Ethereum is going to go, they're saying by the end of this month, they're looking for it to go between 5,000, 6,000, roughly. The all-time high last time the bull run happened was in 2021. It was sitting at 4,800. Okay, so definitely it's going to go past all-time high. I see Ethereum, because now later on this month, or just this month in general, the ETFs, the capital, the revenue that's been flowed into the Ethereum space, that's going to drive the price up. All right, that's going to create demand. All right, so demand and supply. So Ethereum is definitely continue dollar cost average, and definitely that's what I'm looking forward to, these prices to really shoot up. Leave me a comment, let me know what type of crypto are you investing in. Definitely leave it below. And moving on to the next crypto I'm recording is Solana. All right, Solana is sitting at $166, and they're saying now since the Ethereum ETF got passed, how about Solana? Watch out, 2025 looking real good right about now. They're saying it's Solana, Cardano, XRP. They're saying that that's going to be some ETFs. Now you got the ballroom with these other. The main ones was Bitcoin, Ethereum. So now they're looking to see, okay, can we get some other ETFs coming up? So watch out and stay tuned for 2025. I'm definitely excited about what's going to happen in the latter part of this year going into 2025, because now we're going to start waking up the bull market. All right, now we've been in the pre-bull. Now we're going to start waking up the bull market later on part of this year. This is second quarter. All right, so second quarter. Watch that third quarter around August. All right, August, and then the fourth quarter, you already know, October, November, December, and these prices finna shoot up. All right, so in my baby bunk, all right, the memes, if you are a meme investor or crypto investor, shout out to you. All right, whether it's Shiba, Pepe, Doge, I like bunk. All right, sitting at the time of recording, you have 0.000, that's 4 zeros, and 34 is sitting at, I like bunk. Bunk is tied to Solana, and it's like the cousin, and it's going to move up, because long as Solana move up, watch bunk move up. All right, long as Bitcoin move up, watch bunk move up. Okay, so definitely I'm excited about what bunk is going to do. I continue to dollar cost average. All right, so I'm not heavily investing to memes, but this is definitely the new one. When the next bull run happens, watch bunk really do some crazy numbers, and I'm gonna continue dollar cost average, and I'm gonna trade it. All right, I'm not going to hold it for long. I'm gonna just wait till this thing pop off, and it's time to take profits. All right, that's something I learned in the past. I got through my first bull cycle a few years ago, didn't really learn, and I've been learning, you know, and this investing game is all about learning, and that's why I encourage you guys to continue to keep investing in yourself. All right, read and read more. Okay, especially if you're looking to change your situation. All right, information will change your situation. All right, moving on to Aldo Finance. This one's sitting at $1.34. This is another one that I'm gonna trade. Okay, I'm waiting for the next bull run. So this one has the capability and definitely to move way up in the next bull cycle, because this is a new crypto that's been getting a lot of attention. Okay, bumping in attention, and Aldo Finance, and I got Aldo Finance from Keenan Grace. Shout out to Keenan Grace. I'd love to meet you one day, Keenan Grace. Hey man, check out my videos. Definitely, I want to meet you one day, and I will. All right, so he's the one who put me on Aldo Finance, and this one right here. This one has, like I said, the percentages. It's right now as I'm speaking, it's up 11%. So this one right here is going to do really well in the next bull run. So watch out for Aldo Finance. Like I said, bump. These are the two main memes that I'm investing in. Leave me a comment and let me know which meme coins are you investing in, because we're here to make life-changing money. All right, so if you have enjoyed the content this episode, hit the thumbs up, hit the like, check out my previous videos. I'm excited about what the summer's finna take off. I'm working on quite a few different things along the way to build up the channel. Share with your friends, hit the notification bell. I'm on TikTok as well. You know, I appreciate those who've been checking out the TikTok and following me. Like I said, we want to just continue to change lives. All right, and if I have changed your life and have an impact in your life, hit the thumbs up button, man. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate just getting over that 500 mark, and we're gonna push this thing up to 1,000, and then from 1,000 we're gonna push it up to 2,000, from 2,000 5,000, and so forth. And that's how I'm gonna grow this channel, continue to grow the community. All right, so I'm glad the summer is finally here, and I'm definitely going live. We'll be going live more so. I did a live yesterday, which was Friday, May 31st. It was a really good opportunity to just check it out and just journey along with me. All right, so I'm definitely going to working on some more lives and just more interviews. I know a lot of people have enjoyed the emotional intelligence with Dr. Dopes. I talked with him, and we're going to get some things started, pepped off part 2 in this month. And we're going to have some other interviews. GDR, man, shout out to you. We got some things I want to collab with him as well. So we just getting started. Like I said, there's more in store in 2024. I'm going to say it again. There's more in store in 2024 for you. All right, it is definitely not too late to start your investing journey today. Why wait? That's why I want to title this. Why wait when you can change your life, change your trajectory of your life, your family life, and don't let no one tell you what you can or can't do, because it can happen through who? You. I'll see you next one.